wind blowing that way.
There's nothing the fire department can do. They just don't let it burn.
Please get out of here.
God damn!
Please get out of here.
Oh my Lord!
Please get out of here. Oh my God. Dad, please get out of here.
Hey, get in the trunk! Get in the trunk!
Chloe.
I can't hear
Oh
anything.
shit.
Se quedó el
I can't hear
niño.
anything.
Oh my God.
Oh my Lord! Oh Lord Jesus Christ! Hey, let's go! Hey, let's go! Oh my God!
Out West Fire, the West Fertilizer is one of their mills is on fire. There's heavy smoke coming out of the top of it.
The fire out there again. West Fire out to West Fertilizer Plant. First page out, 1930.
101 en route to the station.
Fire West PD 209 is on. Saying advises that one of the mills is on fire.
Fire to West 209.
At this point, if y'all have anybody available, I am requesting you. They have firefighters down.
West Fire to dispatch.
Fire, go ahead. Firefighters down. Again, there has been an explosion. There are firefighters down.
We're in Elmont. We just saw an explosion on that right. If you'll be at 1100 North Reagan, at the West Middle School, it is on fire.
As you see behind me, there's a memorial being held for the fallen fire department and for the first responders that have sacrificed their lives for the safety of others. And you can see that the community is turning out. There's several fire trucks and ambulances here for the fallen fire department. But we are here to give you the best report we can on the situation here in West from the devastating explosion that took place on April 17th, just 2 days ago.
See if I got it.
Hi, this is Tom Holbein reporting in West Texas for KTMV Channel 6. We're here to cover the huge explosion that took place 2 days ago at the fertilizer plant that has devastated this community. Behind me is a church where there was a memorial for the fallen first responders, where 11 known fire department members have perished serving the public, trying to prevent the fire from getting worse. And we're here at the church where the memorial service with law enforcement and fire department from all over the state are here to support the community and their fallen comrades. You can see there are several people here. There are they have dogs here to help people with grieving. It's just a huge turnout from communities all around the state of Texas. I'm the first here from KTMV Channel 6 and from South Texas, live in West, to cover this story and do the very best we can to make sure you have all the information as we get it and as the story develops. Thank you very much. It's still recording. You gotta stop it.
They shine a little brighter, they feel a little more, they touch your life in ways no one has ever done before. They love a little stronger, they live to give their best, they make our lives so blessed. Why do they go so soon? The ones were so beautiful. I heard someone say there must be borrowed angels this life. They come along into this world and make this world bright. They can't stay forever, 'cause they're heaven sent. And sometimes heaven needs them back again.
I've been a walking heartache, I've made a mess of me. The person that I've been lately ain't who I wanna be. But you stay here right beside me and watch as the storm blows through. And I need you, 'cause God gave me you for the ups and downs. God gave me you for the days of doubt, and for when I think I lost my way, there are no words here left to say it's true. God gave me you, gave me you. There's more here than what we're seeing, a divine conspiracy. That you, an angel lovely, could somehow fall from me. You'll always be love's great martyr, and I'll be the flattered fool. And I need you. Yeah, God gave me you for the ups and downs. God gave me you for the days of doubt, and for when I think I lost my way, there are no words God gave me you for the ups and downs. God gave me you for the days of doubt. God gave me you for the ups and downs. God gave me you for the days of doubt. And for when I think I lost my way, there are no words here left to say it's true. God gave me you. Gave me you. He gave me
This is Tom Holbein reporting from West Texas for KTV Channel 6, where the disaster took place 2 days ago at the fertilizer plant when it exploded with huge magnitudes. Now, if you see behind me, they have the road blocked off. Beyond that point is the area that's affected by the explosion. Apparently, it's a 5 to 10 block area that's been devastated, and this is as close as we can get to the blast area. But as you can see, there's lots of law enforcement. You can see them down the street further, and right here we have a roadblock provided by the Parks and Wildlife Game Wardens. Law enforcement of all kinds have come from everywhere in Texas to help the situation, because it is a really, really bad event that's taken place. We're live here in West, KTV Channel 6. I'm Tommy Guns.
Somebody to restore and their spiritual life. You know, I really believe that there's so many hands out here that are trying to help people, and there you know, so many spirits, loving spirits that are ministering to them, you know, the situation is a constant thorn in the side. You know, because you know, at the end of the day, some people get to go home, some people don't. And I believe that God is at the aftermath is really what's important. When the music stops is when reality starts to set in, and that's when it's needed most, when you need the word of encouragement with Jesus.
And you felt just the compassion from inside to come down here.
Yes,
and do whatever you could do.
Yes, sir. My church is in a homeless community, so I see people that live outside in the streets. I see people that, children that have to eat on small portions versus what we're used to eating. The compassion and the love for the people of God has just compelled me, just brought me all the way this way. I mean, it's only an hour and a half away, but you know, I drove to seek out God's people and comfort them.
That's awesome.
Even if it was something as small as giving them a bottle of water, it could not compare to what most of these churches are doing. But you'd be surprised what a hug and a handshake can really do to somebody that is going through.
Well, we appreciate you. I know the people here will appreciate it. We want the people in South Texas to know that the same compassion that this man has, drove down from Fort Worth, is what we need from our community in South Texas to help these people that are hurting, you know, and make a contribution to the Red Cross Fund. We'll have that information up for you soon, but we're here in West Texas reporting for KTV Channel 6, and so you can have an idea of the hearts like this man that have come down to help people that have had a major disaster a couple of days ago. In seconds, they lost everything they had.
He was sitting at the dining room table with his back to the wall, and the window came in right in front of him. Sam was laying on the couch, the window came over the top of him, which, you know, and I was in the shower, and the window came right beside the bathtub, and then the ceiling fell in. And no, because, you know, we were all in a place where, you know, so we walked out really without a scratch. I mean, you know, I've got, like I said, I've got a little glass in me, you know, but it's nothing like it could have been.
How soon did you get displaced?
Well, my husband went out and checked on the neighbors and everything, and then he came in and we went seeing if we could get anything, whatever, and they said, that, then the police officers were all saying, no, y'all need to get out.
About how long was that?
That was about 30 minutes.
Have you thought, I'm sorry, have you thought about what it is going to be like to go back in there?
Well, we went back yesterday. We were able
did.
to be escorted in to get his medication.
What about in the future? Are you going to be able to live there?
Well, we wanted, we were hoping we could get back in right away and start, fixing it back, but they're saying no.
So you did go back in?
We did, we were able to go. Well, it looked like we left it. The windows were all out. We don't have any windows, and the doors hanging open. I mean, it's like if it rains, everything's soaked, or would get soaked.
I'm curious just emotionally if you've thought what it would be like to go back and live there.
Work. They're our friends, they're our family. We've been here, and we've been here about 6 years, and they've really grown close to us, and we've grown close to them. And it's like, well, you don't want to have to leave.
Do you have neighbors?
We have, but they're older, and we really kind of looked out for them, and they looked out for us, There were incidents that happened in the past, and they never called and say, did you know so-and-so, or somebody is, so they were looking out for us. It's like a neighborhood watch.
Have
But
they been your neighbors? Have they been your neighbors the whole time?
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've been there, for years and years, and we just moved into the community, and, it took a little bit, but, we became part of their community too, especially since Sam's going to school, and, you get to where you know everybody, or at least by sight,
And his school's okay? His school is...
Yeah, his was just fine. It's the West Elementary.
Now, where do you live now?
Well, we were staying at his mother's in Waco.
Your husband. How far away from the exploration site?
Oh, we were about a half a mile.
Half a mile.
Did you have any hearing issues?
No, actually didn't. But, it was kind of strange. It was just like some of the other neighbors, the one lady, she was saying, well, she was standing there, and she said after it exploded, she was just picked up and thrown down on the ground. So, there was a lot of wind, a lot of repercussion.
Right.
Yesterday you did visit your house. No electricity, no water?
We have electricity, we have water, and I don't know if we have gas or not, but we do. I mean, we had to go turn it all off.
Oh.
So that was nice. I mean, but as far as getting in there and doing anything, it's not possible right now.
So have you heard about any problem with media? Lots of life to live. I know you like these creations.
What's your job?
I'm sorry?
What's your job?
Actually, I'd been going to school to be a nurse, and I decided that was not my vocation. So I was trying to regroup, and he's going to school for media and communication, so he's doing good.
Extra credit assignment,
Yes,
right?